slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Hi YouTube family, you're welcome back to my channel. So yet another lunchtime mukbang. So this time around it's not going to be a Nigerian recipe. I apologize for that because I promised to just have all-round Nigerian recipe, but today I want to have something different, something way more different. I'm going to be having more Nigerian recipe in my channel, yes, but today I want to go far different from what I usually do. Yes, but though the noodles is prepared in the Nigeria style, yes, we have a special way we prepare noodles here in Nigeria. So if you want to see how it looks like, just stick around. So now, without wasting much of your time, let me just get straight into my noodle. So I got this noodle. You can see my omelette, which is what we usually call here in Nigeria. We call it like fried egg. You see how they were able to fry it. And I have my carrots. You can see my carrots. You can see my green pepper is there. I have my tomatoes inside and a bit of spice on it. Then this is my noodle. You can see my noodle. It has green pepper. It has a lot of spice there. So a lot of spice on it. So this is just it. So maybe you can see it very well. So, and my drink I'll be having is this is called 5 Alive Poppy. It's more like orange drink. So it's a regular kind of drink here in Nigeria. It's an orange drink. So that's the drink I'll be having for this. So now, I love spicy noodles a lot. I don't like it if you don't spice it very well. I'll feel like throwing up. It's not bad. I have green beans here. I have my green beans here. So. This noodles is well prepared. You can see my green beans. So. Those are one of the stuff they added to me. So we have different styles of preparing this. Here in Nigeria, we don't call this omelette. What we call it is the regular way we call it here in Nigeria. Call it fried egg. You can see my carrots, my green beans. You can see a lot of spice on it, and makes me enjoy eating it. Tastes great. So now, what I experienced why having this food, so I want to like chat. I had issues with VIO, which is Vehicle Inspection Officers. That was some months back. Yeah. So why I'm bringing this up is something happened that made me brought this. I decided, okay, let me share it with my fans out there. So they impounded my car. They said my plate number was not the plate number written on my insurance, my car insurance, did not match with the plate number that I have on the car. So I found out that there was an issue. I didn't know what was happening. They impound my car. They took it to their office. I spent hell that day. I spent money that day. So I was just very, very mad. And the guy that did it, funny enough, he said he loves me. I was like, are you for real? After impounding my car, you made my car stay in your office for like 2 days, and I have to pay what they call demurrage or whatever. And I spent money. I spent more than 50,000 naira, and you still telling me this bullshit. Please spare me those nonsense. So I was like, I said, why did you allow me to go through that stress? He said, I didn't know that he loved me, that things happen for a reason. I told him I'm not interested, because he made me go a whole lot of stress. So I later found out that my insurance, why doing the insurance? So they made a mistake in the insurance document. So in the insurance document, they made mistake with the last number on my plate. So they kind of wrote, I did this my tax clearance. A whole lot of bullshit went wrong. So when I think of those things that I went through, so whenever this VIO of a guy starts calling me, I'll be like, what is wrong with you? Can't you see that I don't like you? I don't like you. I said it's pop and plain. Say me, just leave me alone. I don't like you because you made me go through hell. So it was like, it wasn't my fault. I was only doing my job. That I was only doing his job. How is that my concern? It's not my concern now, because you're doing your job. At the same time, I'm reacting based on what you guys did to me. So it was saying, you never can tell. Maybe God made that thing to happen so that the both of us will get to know ourselves. We meet ourselves. That people meet for a reason. I said, that kind of reason, I don't want it. I don't even like VIO people. I don't like them. I don't hate them, but they are causing a lot of atrocity here in Nigeria, in Lagos precisely. They are messing around, messing up car owners. Most times you see on the road, hold up. When you go there, you find out that it's VIO. They are the cause of the hold up. Thank God, Governor Fashola was able to kick their ass off the way. So they are not much on the road now. Unlike months back. Whenever you're driving, you find out that VIO is on the way. Hey. Even your car, even if all your documents are complete, you'll still be scared. You don't know what will find out that is wrong in your car. Everybody's scared of VIO in Lagos. Your document complete or not, just be scared of them, avoid them. Because they may find something that they will use, that they will just use as a reason to just impound your car, because they are looking for money. Their salary have to be paid. So all car owners, they're all scared of VIO because you just have to run away from them. Same goes to road safety, but road safety is a little bit fair compared to VIO. VIO, there will definitely be something wrong about your car. They will definitely find faults. That is something about them. Why they do all this is because their salary needs to be paid, and their salary is being paid from you and I. If they impound our cars and you have to pay your car out, it goes to their accounts, to the federal accounts. So that is where they get their salary. So if they don't impound any car, forget it, no salary for them, so they need to work. This drink is so nice. So sweet. So sweet, so sweet, so sweet. I'm really hungry, so I have to make sure I finish everything here. So that was how it all went. That's when months later or 2 months later, the said guy was just calling me up. I love you. Bullshit. Why my car was still in your office? You never told me you love me so that you pay my car for free. So if I spent money to pay my car, now you're telling me you love me? That's bullshit. I don't want to hear that. Love. Yeah. Who love your mama, not me. That was what I told him. Said she go love his mama. This is sweet. I finished everything because I was hungry. Oh. So that's that for today. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Hopefully my next video is going to be African recipe. Yeah, sure, definitely it's going to be African recipe. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.